Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Orlando Pirates 0. I'm joined by some fans. My brother, what's your name and where are you from?
I'm Mzagazaka from Greater Midrand Branch, well known as the Rich Boys, the first branch to launch under the leadership of Patrice Motsepe.
Okay, Mzagazaka, what did you think about today's game?
Yeah, one can say it was an easy game. It's never an easy game or easy task to play a big team like Orlando Pirates. Of course, they wanted revenge. Remember, we played MTN8 and then they defeated us. We came back, we bounced back, we defeated them twice. So they wanted to bounce back and prove who they are. So, but to us, it's all about hard work, dedication, consistency, teamwork. We don't use Muthi. I can hear people are saying, so, yeah, again, I just want to reply to those people who criticize a lot Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns, if you remember well, during the first era of Mr. Patrice Motsepe, he brought so many good players who were much experienced and more valuable than some of the players that we currently have. So it was never an easy journey. So we thank him for his faith, his vision. He reaped what he saw. So it's a lesson to us that anything is possible if you believe. So to Rulani Mukwena, big up man. Lot of critics were said about you, but ignore negativity and preserve what matters. You can keep the good men down, and whatever God kept for you shall always remain yours. So to our players, let's keep up the good work. Let's not get carried away. To Mamelodi Sundowns supporters, the way we rally behind the team, let's keep on rallying behind the team and ignore politics. So I think it's high time we take whatever attitude, whatever hard work that we are using, whatever dedication, whatever that is working for us to Africa. It's high time we conquer Africa. We have been there participating each and every year, and like how we lose, man, like it leaves much to be desired. But I can say, what I can say is that like let's copy from whatever that we do on the PSL. Again, we need both Chiefs fans and Orlando Pirates fans. I know very well that they won't like it, but we are not doing it for South Africa only, but we're gonna raise it for the flag of South Africa. So remember, whenever we win, the more valuable we are, they also benefit. So that's a sense of pride. Yeah, I think like Mamelodi Sundowns players deserve credit. Orlando Pirates, they gave a good fight. But again, to our players, some of the things we don't need to disclose them. But let's share the ball, man. Football is not. Football is very cruel. The score is not always a true reflection of the game. So sometimes we might be lucky. Sometimes we might not be lucky. So easy chances that we get, let's learn to bury them. And again, before I know you're gonna ask me man of the match.
Who was the man of the match?
For me, it's one guy, we call him Pogba Dragon. So that guy made Mamelodi Sundowns fans proud today. I know maybe many of us, we could not recognize him, but like Ariel Pirates, they throw whatever in the kitchen. So he made sure that he protects Ronwen Williams, and again Ronwen Williams, his confidence, yeah. So he chose that he's a team captain of Africa. So to the players, keep up working together. The win is not for individual, but it's for the team.
Okay, thank you very much, brother.
Thank you. Be safe wherever you go, wherever you roam.
Yes, sir.